Hey guys, just moving my floating head around a little bit. So, AI image editor. If anyone's ever used any type of image editor, it's super intuitive, easy to use. We've tried to make it as user friendly as possible. So, you can either upload images directly from your desktop or the Vault. Just for case and points, I'm just going to go in and grab something I've been working on recently. So, let's grab this picture. Literally just drag and drop it right here, upload image, and this does a few pretty funky cool things. Okay, so once it's uploaded, click into it, go to the three little dots. You can see here, this is where you delete, or you can download the picture once you've finished editing, or you can copy it. But let's go to edit and have a little bit of fun here. Again, guys, I'm just going to mess around with it, so the last image might be a bit messy. But you can obviously crop it, you can resize it, just like that, resizing. You can, this is the thing I wanted to show you guys. So AI retouch, this is, have some fun with this one. So let's say I wanted to swap out something in the picture that I didn't like a little image, a little thing that the initial picture generated that I want to swap out. So let's say I didn't like this funny looking square thing here that looks a bit like a playing card. So instead, why don't I actually just swap it out with playing cards? See what happens. So it's going to completely remove that image and regenerate based on whatever I just prompted it to do. Cool. So it's given a couple of playing cards here. The really cool thing, guys, is you can actually see different images. How cool is that? You can just toggle left or right to see what it comes up with. See, this one like fits in a little bit more with what you were looking for, or the color scheme a little bit. If I could even just keep searching. Oh, that's pretty cool. The angle of it fits in pretty well. But you can just keep playing around with it until you find something that you like. Now, let's say you wanted to replace the entire background. This is a badass thing we've built. So, magic background replace. Let's say, I was just playing around with a forest last time, but let's say we wanted to change it to beach with water. See what that is. Literally going to change the entire background. It's pretty fun. See what it gets, or what it kicks out. Nice. All right. I was hoping for something a little more elaborate and real. It seems a little bit almost cartoony, but you get the idea, right? It's completely changed the background. So let's go with what I was playing with earlier, forest, because that's saying it came with something pretty cool. Super fun, guys. You can literally upload any image you want, whether you've generated it on the platform or you've just... Look at that. That's pretty cool. So you can see in the background there, some of the trees are a little AI wonky, so you could easily edit them. I would say this has an 80% hit rate of generating something that doesn't need editing at all. Once in a while, you might need to edit a little something here. You can annotate... Oh, I forgot a big one, actually. Magic remove. Let's say I wanted to now remove these floating objects here, or in fact, you know what, I was going to automatically do that now. Look at that. Did you see? I just highlighted them and removed them. Let's do that again for, well, let's now magically remove the playing cards again. You wouldn't need to do that since these were one of the magic inserts, so you could just take them out anyway, but just for case and point here, I'm doing it with the magic remover. But just again, guys, this is just something for you to play around with. Look at that. You would never know those cards were ever there, or there was a previous image there. Again, you can feel free to touch up whatever you want. It's pretty cool, right? You know what? Let's just do something crazy as well. I want to just get something a bit more funky because I'm feeling like it. Let's do like a fairground. See what we get with fairground. See, guys, I just love playing around with the platform. It's fun. You can really get lost in this and have a good time. That's pretty cool. Again, it's kind of like in the inside of a mirror house or something. You can see It's dragged in a bit of the last pictures, but you could just simply remove those to get it congruent. I'm not going to spend too much time doing it all of that on this call. So again, you can annotate, you can use Sharpies, erasers, draw paths if you wanted to. All of this stuff, anything any usual image editor can do. But now let's get rid of that. You just go to the eraser, and bada bing, bada boom, it's gone. I'm really creating a pretty messy but still interesting picture here. You can throw in stickers if you wanted to, much like you were editing a post or a story you've done. Throw in some emojis, whatever you want to do. Party hats, let's go, party. Different filters, again, much like posting something on your story. And then fine tune as well. Brightness, contrast, you get it. Saturation. And then if you need to frame it for whatever reason, you can. Different frames. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm sure there are one or two little things I missed there, but you get the idea. Just play around with it and you'll be able to generate some very cool stuff. Then hit done. And it should be there. So quite a significant difference from the first picture there. All right. Cheers, guys.